Boys, today we're doing another drink review.
Dog. Dog.
We're doing another drink review, and they have no idea what we're getting yet.
Possibly Bud Light Dilly Dilly.
Dilly dilly.
Men, women, dilly dilly.
Dilly Dilly.
Well, yeah, so...
Okay, we'll just tell you guys what happened.
Yeah, so basically...
Wyatt's a cripple now, okay? He's paralyzed from the neck down. He'll never walk again.
He broke his ankle.
No, he won't walk again. He can't walk.
He broke his ankle.
He can't drive.
So, he broke his ankle, so I don't know if we put that in the video already, but...
Yeah, he broke his ankle. He's an idiot. He hit a dirt pile. Oh, I like Jack.
Bro, we should get a green van like this.
Or, that's not a train van, that's a Dodge van. Yeah. I like your van.
He looked.
You look
Oh, there's another one. Bro, it's the van attack.
You better stop.
I like your van. We should wave. Hey guys, it's called 1-800-SERVE-PRO.
We're not sponsored by them, but if they'd like to sponsor us, they could.
Yeah.
We're not sponsored today.
Yeah.
Popcorn music.
I don't know why I opened that for you. What is... Dude, what?
It's tea.
Monster
We
tea?
have lemonade. Have something different.
No. You look at fruit punch instead.
We all do. We're all buying together.
Still counting. Still counting.
You guys have a good one.
You too.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do a drink review on the way back because we have to get to work when we get back.
No. Work. Well, the review is going to be on the way back,
So I'm
so...
gonna see if I can open it back and get the phone. Oh, I'm really anticlimactic.
You can't talk. Hey, can you hold the camera where I hope so?
Okay, this tastes really good, actually. It tastes like regular fruit punch. You could compare it to Monster with this one.
Better than us, though?
Hey, you know that like weird aftertaste of soda has?
Yes. Wait, good cream soda or bad cream soda? Like stubborn?
That aftertaste. It has the cream soda aftertaste, but it's
Here, can I get a sip?
I'll wait for this.
Yeah, it tastes like the NOS fruit punch that we had.
I want to taste this real quick.
It tastes kind of like... It tastes like closer to Monster than NOS.
Different Monster.
Different
30
feel.
grams of sugar. Rip. Oh. You got 31.
31.
Amounts per serve. Actually, there is 60 grams of sugar.
Seriously?
Yeah, because they split it into 2 servings, so it looks like less. Technically, this is 2 cans.
52 grams.
Evan's looking at himself like I have diabetes. You know, hey, you didn't stop!
Let's get a license plate. Get a license plate.
Yeah, so you guys didn't know we put like 5 people in Mustang, which is not
2006 Mustang. Yeah, not...
Evan was technically illegal.